Nyana neko, nyana no nyana neko, nyana neko. Nyana 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 neko, neko neko, neko neko, neko, neko 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 neko. Neck 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 neko neko neck 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 neko. Neko neko neck and the neck neko neko neck the neck neck and neko neko neck the neck 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 neko neko neck neck neko neko. Neko 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 neck 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 and neko 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 neck 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 and neko 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 neck 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 and neko 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 neko. Neko neko neck 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 neko neck 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 neko 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 neko. Neko 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 neck 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 neko neko neck 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 neko 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 neck 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 neko neko neck 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 neko 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 neck neck neko 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 neck 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 neko neko neck the neck 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 the neko neko neck neko 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 neck the neck the neck neck the neko neko neck the neck neck the neck neck neko 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 the neck 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 the neko 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 neck 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 neko neck 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 neko 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 neck 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 neko neko neck 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 neko neko neck 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 neko 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 neck 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 neko neko neck 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 neck
Hey,
neko neko
hopefully everybody's okay.
neko 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 neko
I'm doing okay. What I'm gonna do today is my daughter's still up. I might have to look after my daughter here in a second. She's still up. She's usually asleep. I want to set up like a virtual machine. I was hoping to set one up. I was hoping to set a virtual machine up in Linux. I have not done that. I've always used Windows. And I just want to do that. Ow! I want to do that private. Ow! Ow! But I might have to check on my daughter here real quick. She's just making a ton of noise, and I usually just gotta check in on her or something. She's noisy. She's a noisy girl. Yeah. I need like a BRB, like video or something. I don't know. We'll do Witcher for YouTube. All right. Well, Mr. Well. Did I accidentally delete the... What the fuck? Did I accidentally delete you private? I'm sorry if I did. Let me double check here. I must have accidentally deleted it. I didn't mean to. I did not mean to. I'm such a fool. So I was looking at I've been working on this program quite a bit. Oh, wait a second. Okay. There's something I want to add to this, but I'm kind of running at an impasse where I need to start. I want to get my server set up. So, yeah. Well, I got like a couple AI servers, and it's best to You know, so you don't like do like a PXE like OS install. You have everything already on there. They kind of set it up so it's really easy to log into it. I mean, like it's cake. So yeah, I kind of want to kind of set that up. What's going on with this? Okay, so yeah, I've been working on my chat printer, but like I want to eventually have it so. I was thinking about like making like a little AI that could be training like on this stuff as I'm doing it. Yeah. Maybe I can have like build a quick little neural network. I don't know. I like to be able to train like an LLM or learn how to build one. Yeah. Because it'd be nice to have it be able to like, because some of these things are kind of weird. But anyways, I'm getting to a point where I want to train some AIs and make them my own and shit. So make them my own. Because like training them can take a long time. Doesn't matter like, unless like you got like millions of dollars and you can set it up, have it trained like in a month or something like that on some fucking supercomputer owned by Microsoft. Yeah. I don't want to update those yet right now. So first I'm going to install a VirtualBox. I've never installed it on here and it looks like it's a Debian. I think I tried it. I looked at here, I looked in the store, and I was half tempted to get this GNOME boxes. Like what is this? It looks like it's like a virtual machine. It has like virtual machines in it and shit. Yeah. And it has like pre-installed things. Links. Is GNOME Boxes good? Have you tried it? I just don't like, honestly. What is it, Oracle does? I don't really like Oracle. You never tried it? Here's the thing, like, it doesn't update because it's on like, if I remember correctly, I don't think I think I tried to install this and just had like a really hard time and just gave up. And then like you end up like having all these fucking packages in there that you know you're not using. And let me see if there's like was it GNOME boxes? Let's see if they have like a more up-to-date like repository. FlatHub? What the fuck? What's FlatHub? Is that like Flatpak? Which one's which? Explore. GNOME boxes? Yeah. Ooh, why does this have an exclamation point? Verified? Ooh. Why don't they like it? This one had like good, whatever that means. I guess like anything more than like 3 stars is good. Potentially unsafe, can access hardware devices. 3.4. The app is trash and won't create a VM, nor will it uninstall. Oh, that's great. Doesn't work with 24.04. Is this for the Too lazy to review, but works better than Hyper-V. What the fuck? A lot of people like recently like fucking reviewed this. Simplifies the process too much. You want to set up 2 VMs, learn using SSH and set up process. Okay. I think this is like, all right, let's try the virtual machine. I can just I can just do it on Windows. I don't really want to do it on my gaming PC though. I don't want to do it on my streaming PC either. Let's try VirtualBox. Okay. The thing is like, what I love about virtual machines is like, you don't have to like move away to a different computer or anything like that. Like I can still be on my daily driver and not have to do much. All right, I didn't install it, but I downloaded it. All right. Ubuntu. Deb. Okay. I wonder if... Let me try something real quick. Let me try something here real quick. No one dare tried. Ooh, 3 stars. Ubuntu. Oh, it's on Deb. As a date. It sucks. Okay, wait a second. Before I install this, because I'm a tourist when it comes to Linux. I'm a tourist that outstayed his visa. What's it like? Is installing VirtualBox on Ubuntu 24.04. It's recommended to use the official blah 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 blah. Do a sudo app update. Wee. All packages are up to date. You're just telling me to do a wget. I just fucking downloaded this shit. Wait a second. I went to install VirtualBox on 24. This was done 1 year and 3. Oh my gosh. 24.04 has been out that long. But I didn't find a VirtualBox appropriate package for 2404. And I downloaded VirtualBox for... Okay. Well... All right. You know what? Can I wait a second. Where's my backup? My backup hasn't been working very well. And I don't know why. Where's the backup? Look at all those windows. Failed to unknown error. What the fuck, dude? Duplicity. Okay. What is going on here? You don't forget to say your prayers. Yes. Could I install it like in a, was it, I always forget the fucking name. It's not LXM, is it? What the fuck is this? This is why I hate Python. All right, volume 1 is already in the volume list of duplicity. Command line. Okay. Command line these nuts. Okay. What was it called? Backup? Backups. This is what I get for using like the built-in backups. Are you fucking kidding me? Like, what's the fucking... Is there a way to like figure out what it is? Like I've tried like right-clicking this and be like, app details. It won't tell you what the command line is. Couldn't recover. Tried. I've had it recover for me. Framework 13. All right, so back Deja dupe backups. Okay. Oh fuck, I didn't want to use this. Unpin this. Command line. I think I just put Deja. Deja dupe. Oh. Most recent backup was 3 months ago. Okay. What's it say here? Well, how do I like fix this? Can I change this? All right, let's try to change this. Because it's like here, I think. What is this? SMB share. Backup home. Server address. Here. New folder. Derek Daily. There we go. Derek Daily. There we go. Let's see if that worked. It's in there, so I don't know, like, I don't know what's going on. Google Drive. I guess like next time I could try like downloads. Okay, I don't need that. Yeah, home. I really don't need much on this. I don't need to keep my pictures. Yeah, and I think videos. Yeah, we'll forget about videos. There we go. Because I back those up on my computer. I just drag them over anyway. All right. Back up now, bitch. What? You need your password to restore your files. You might want to write it down. Okay. Hold on one second. I can switch that up. Yeah, there we go. fuck that shit. Yeah, like a lot of my like main programs and shit. Everything's like in the home, right? The stuff that I make. And a lot of times I back them up anyway. You know, I'm just kind of happy that I can like build my own programs and, you know, use them. I use the programs that I, you know, that I make. It kind of feels empowering a bit. Yeah, turn this down a little bit. What the fuck? It's not putting the volume down. Beacon browser. Oh, it's a browser. What? Wait a second. There we go. I think the other one I can put up. All right. Give me the details. Give me the deets. See, it's doing it. I wonder why I wasn't doing it before. What are they doing like cache data? Your own programs? Why not use Adobe products? They're only $500 a month. Yeah. Oh, let me show you like, well, I'm finding like glaring holes and I'm almost like, you know, I'm like grabbing everything and throwing them in a folder. I kind of set up my own thing. I think I'm going to set up a database. I think I'm just going to set up a database for some of this stuff. Yeah. GTK did not receive a what? A focus out event? If you handle this event, you must return. What? You must return GDK event propagate. So the default handler gets the event as well. What the fuck is this? Okay. I just love like how things like just don't fucking work. They work at first like in Ubuntu or whatever or Linux, but like after a year, like they just don't work. Even if you do like a fresh install, like it doesn't work. It's kind of annoying. The provided context does not contain information about the specific warning. The depreciation of the which is known to be buggy and should not be used in new code with a recommendation use. Oh. Maybe I should fucking drop this backup thing and bring in a new one. It's just kind of surprising, like... Okay, wait a second. Yeah, I forget what I was going to say. Yeah, it's just surprising how much buggy shit gets. It's just a warning, not an error. Warnings are fucking errors. I learned that, like, if you fix the warnings... it can save your ass later on. And it's always Python, the culprit. Yeah, I noticed like, oh my gosh, like this chat downloader thing that I use to download the JSONs. Like it uses Python. And holy shit. Like there was like a thing like, I forget what I did. Oh. Cause like it was basically I was getting like a 403 forbidden error, I think. But I didn't know I was getting a 403 forbidden error. But what it seemed like it was that it received a, because it's not like typed strict, right? It's not a typed programming language. Like it was passing some sort of like, I think it just, I don't remember what it said, unknown or whatever, but I was expecting like a string and it just crashed the program. But it's like, fucked if I know what this does somewhere. And yeah, I didn't want to like rummage through the code and everything. So that makes me want to like make my own chat downloader in Golang. That's got to make sure this is fucking doing something. It's pumping it. Sending 2.2. Downloading 202. Damn, this is taking forever. At this point, just make Derek OS Ultra OS. Ultra Clips. Just make it editing. Oh, they now have real time like flags, real time OS flags for Linux now. Finally for the kernel. So like now you can just like, you can sit there and just wait for like, you know, if it's like, how do I put it? The kernel, the colonel, save my, it's cache, motherfucker. Why do you have to save the cache? Discord cache. Watch it like throw an error out at the end. So I guess like while we're doing that, I got like this, I don't even know where this saves. I got this like time shift. You told it to save home. Yeah. Save all of home. I guess I don't want to have to fucking deal with it later. I remember it took forever, even with like hardly anything on it. Cause I backed it up like I have not used like the home backup yet. But I think installing this deb file, I might need to. Okay. There we go. When's the last time I did this? Oh, not too long ago. What the fuck? It's like February, July, August. Can I just do like another one? A create? Yeah. This one's much faster. I don't have a lot of data on this PC. Ooh. I wonder if I need a backup to do this though. They can make it so like I'm putting it on my NAS, right? But if you have like a lot of small files and stuff, you might want to not like have it go directly to disks. You might want to set up like I forget what they call it. Like some SSDs that'll like put everything to first. I wonder if that'll speed it up. NAS. Wait a second. True NAS. There we are. I just replaced the fucking disk in here. I bought like this disk months ago. What if I did an update and restarted? And I opened the box today because I had one that went bad. And It was like the worst packed fucking hard drive I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. Okay. So there's one that's like, I thought they disabled it. RAID Z. I guess they just disabled it and took it off the thing. So how do I gotta find that and be able to put it in there. But there's storage. Like I can add to, I think I can add to the like, okay, like add to pool. Existing pool. Share. It's not cache. Spare? What's spare? Oh, you can make. Yeah, I need to get a spare. I got dedupe. It's not metadata. I think it's. Yeah, so log. I think this is a. Ooh, optional write cache that can be removed. So I don't need to have like a fucking. I don't need a backup for that then. Yeah, I got dedupe already on here. I haven't done a scrub on it though. All right, let's see where this is at. Backups. Holy shit. Python. One of these days I'll figure out how to install Python. Like multiple versions of it. Oh. Hopefully, okay, wait a second. Let me go here. I think I found like a whisper substitute. Whisper like does speech to text. And where's my bookmarks? Bookmarks. Explore, notifications, messages, Grok, premium, communities, verified orgs, profile, more. Bookmarks. AI research. What is this? All right, what is this? Why have I never heard of this before? Models can pass behaviors to each other with data that is entirely innocuous to us as humans. I'm a little scared. I won't lie. Oh. He goes beep bop beep 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 beep bop. So parakeet TDT. Parakeet TDT. What the fuck? 2.2 V2. Hugging. Oh man, I have to do hugging face. I thought it said like the new canary model is much better. Okay. Parakeet. 600 million parameter on it. What the fuck? Wait a second. Wait a second. Is this for real? For real? It's NVIDIA though. Do you want NVIDIA or do you want OpenAI? PyTorch. Of course. Okay. That's pretty new. Our models are designed, I guess like Nemo toolkit. Fucking Nemo shit. Oh my god. This is why I hate NVIDIA too. I hate how much of a pain in the ass it is to fucking set up. And they have like all these like, how do I put it? I don't want to call it like an IDE, but they're like all these like they're all these like zoos or whatever they put you in. Okay, so why is it when I try to look for the canary model, it's so fucking hard to find? Oh, copy. Let's try this again. Okay, what is this? 71. Bah.
In this video, we will discuss about a new model.
All right. Sorry. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
So hi everyone, NVIDIA is
No. $600. Oh, I thought 600 million? I was thinking billion. That's not too bad. That's pretty lightweight.
Even shown better performance than Whisper 3 large, and that is something to behold. This model is quite unique in a sense that it offers extreme quality, and you can transcribe an audio segment up to 24 minutes in a single pass, and the parameters are just 600 million. So if you look at the trend which is going on the market at the moment, the number of parameters.
So how do I fucking install this piece of shit? Do I have to do a pip install? Okay, wait a second. How to use this model? To train, fine tune, or play with the model, you'll need NVIDIA Nemo. Do I have the latest PyTorch? Pippa installs or Pippa installs? Don't tell me they have a Pippa install. Okay. Oh, man. That blows. You have to use Ampere's the lowest one. I got like some Maxwell fucking GPUs that I want to use. All right. Oh my God, I fucking hate this already. What are these 13 models here? See, I don't understand Hugging Face. Okay. Nemo. Where is it at? Is this Nemo? Okay. What is this Nemo? Nemo? fast conformer. Oh, what is this? Fast conformer CTC and RNT models have a faster version of the conformer encoder and differ from it as follows: 8 times depth-wise convolutional subsampling with 256 channels reduction, convolution kernel size of 9. What the fuck? I don't care how fast it is. Oh my god. It's all like, they're speaking Chinese to me. I thought they told me I had to get in the Nemo architecture. All right. Yeah, I can't use this one. I'll have to work around. The thing is, like, I'd love to use this one, but I only have like, I got like a what is it? Where was that one thing? I got like, okay, where are the GPUs? I got an Ampere. Okay. What is, okay, 3090 architecture. Name. Is it Ampere? I can't remember the name of this. Oh, it is Ampere. Shit. So I had the Turing, and I have a Turing and an Ampere. I only have one Ampere card. Like, if I get like another Ampere card, it's gonna be like, holy shit! It's gonna be. They're like to get a 3090, it's like, it's still like $800. It's so expensive. I wonder how much like a, well, I can't use it. I can't use it. Fuck it. I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so forget what I said about that one thing. So time shift, sweet. Oh, all right. So I gotta move some stuff over. I got some slow storage. Gura. I got all of these fucking Gura things. I didn't even date them. But I got tons of Gura.
And on the cob. Oh my god. This is not enough. And delicate. And this is really cute. I'm just gonna use your drawing instead of that.
I got tons of Gura. All right, so, and I think, hold on, so slow storage 1, cache, got tons of Henya. I gotta download more Henya. Oh man, I might be in trouble. I tried to get like every one that she has, but I might have like missed out on some because I'm out to late May on this. Yeah. Meow. So many tabs open. So many tabs open. Okay, scrap. Did I just been putting them in slow storage? Shit. I kind of held off on it because I didn't want to like, how do I put it? I wanted to add some hard drives to this, but I think I'm just going to keep it where it's at now. Because the prices of the hard drives just like fucking, they went up like another $30. OS move. Man, I don't want to put it in storage. I'm gonna have a stream where I organize all this shit. Okay, I'm gonna put like archive streams, other, I mean like archive streams, other, yeah, I guess. Archive streams from other streamers. All right. So here's mine, dude. My streams, tons. I had like almost like a terabyte of data on my other one, on my old streaming PC, and I finally like threw it all into here. So now it's all into here now. And it took like 3 hours. And then I was like, oh yeah, now I can delete it. All right, so this might be doubling up, but that dedupe should like take care of it, right? Let's do like a new folder, call it Henya. Meow. All right. And oh baby. It's just best to do it all at once. Whee! One item, my ass. Oh yeah, baby. 2 hours and 53 minutes. Was it a bad idea to do this right now? I just don't understand too. Oh, this is hard drive limited. But like on my Windows PC, I get the 10, like when I do like a file transfer over and I have like a 10 gigabit Ethernet card, I get the 10 gigabits basically. But when on my Linux machines, I don't. I get like 250 megabytes. So like 10 gigabits would be like 800 megabytes. Is that right? That sounds about right. Yeah, because there's a calculator. Jeez. Have you guys heard of Windows? I got a lot of windows open. I just want my backup to fucking start. Okay, so so 1 gigabyte is 8 gigabits. And why is it an X? Yeah, so 10 right? Am I right? And if I want to convert it over, I divide it by 10, right? Yeah, so it'll be like, oh, wait a second. If it's 10 gigabits and 1 gigabyte divided by 8 gigabyte, wait a second. Ooh, I just got to do the math out here. I got to do it on a piece of paper. I can't fucking see it. Okay, so. Oh. I got my, my headphones came off and like my fucking thing was blaring. Holy shit. I gotta turn that down. There we go. Whew. I got my my desk is a mess. Wait a second. I think I could just have it on. Yeah. Look. Ta-da! And I couldn't find this earlier. So now, oh, I got like a, and it's old. I got a Microsoft Surface Book, first gen. They made like, they have the Surface Book 1 and Surface Book 2. And that has like that has a pen with it. I wonder if I install Linux with it, I can use that to draw. Cause like I have a hard time with this because like I draw here, but then like I don't see where I'm going. I don't see where I'm going. All right, let me put this in my lap. All right, so what the fuck? So, all right. I got a 10 gigabit, right? And wait a second. Wait a second. It'd be easier to do this. 1 gigabyte equals 8 gigabits. Yeah. Hell yeah. So I guess like, how do I do this? All right. And so like I want to do like 10 gigabit right equals yeah, it'd just be like 10 over 8, right? Like equals 10 over 8. Am I smoking crack here? Am I smoking crack here? This has to be okay. Wait a second. Because like, you know, you get like x over y equals like x2 over y2. Yeah, you just do this like one. Just do this. Over 8 gigabit equals 10 gigabyte over x. Wait a second. This has an eraser on it. Love it. I want to know what it's going to be in gigabytes, right? And this will be 10 gigabit. Anyways, so it's 10 over, yeah. Ten over 8 GB, because the GB over GB will fucking cancel out. So what's that? I was thinking it was gonna be 800. I was wrong. I should be getting more, but I've been getting like 800 and 900 going through. Right? This isn't like a repeating one number, is it? Yeah, 10 over 8. Should get 1.25 gigabytes. Anyways, fucking math. This is what programming does to your brain. I need to start. I need to get out the good old like circuits book, like 200, like the 200 level circuits book. Like I took like this. It was basically like circuits engineering, right? I can't remember the name of the book exactly or the class, but it's like there's all types of shit that's done it. Like, I don't think I ever worked with like differential equations before. They have differential equations in it. There's like all types of math in it. It's fucking crazy. Is this done? Come on, be done, bitch. It's done! Sweet. So we backed up everything. All right. I guess I can delete that one shit. Let's save this. Let's like... I love this thing. I don't know if you guys saw it.
I bet there's something hidden back here.
I should have just cut this out in the beginning.
Oh, excuse me. Oh, pardon
I changed it to
me. I
that.
couldn't reach the mutant time.
Couldn't reach the mutant time. She looks so smug at the end of that. All right, so Krita, I can close all these. No. Wait a second. Wait a second. No. Can I close this? Oh yeah. And you like that. She liked it. She didn't share it though. She should have shared it. Anyways. Let me go ahead and I'm gonna push these. Yeah, I changed out the menu completely. So let's well, not completely, but it's more like streamlined. Menu tweaks. Oh shit, I just want to add it. Come on. Come on, meow. All right, commit. Tweakers. Git push. Yay. Let's close this. It wants to update. Here, I gotta like, ooh. I got to do some major stuff. That's why I'm thinking about making a database. This is gonna take forever. I can probably close all these. There's still a process running? What's running? All right. Oh, this one process. So press enter to exit. I forget what happens if I do that. Nothing happens. Oh. Oh. Let's bring it up again. Oh, I gotta figure out what this no URL for image is. So do the chat drawer, get chat emotes, which is basically, it does it automatically when you load it. So if I hit chat emotes, got the emotes. Chat drawer. PPP. There you go. Get all the P. Choose one's comma separated if you want it. I think I've just hit enter. It doesn't do anything. And then like I can just, oh. Leave blank and press enter to exit. All right. And then like exit. I should put exit the menu. So go back to the menu and then I can hit exit 0 to exit the program. I don't know what happens like, hold on a second. Ooh, crashes. Oopsie poopsie. Yeah, so I got to fix that. We'll do it some other time. All right. All right, so we can close those. What's this document viewer? Oh, yeah. Upscale, we can close upscale. Man, I want to play fucking Power World right now. This is the actual one.
I bet there's something hidden back here.
Protify.
Maybe. Maybe. Oh, excuse me. Oh, pardon me. I couldn't reach the mute in time.
I guess save this. Bam. Bam. Bye-bye. So that's closed. Let's close the Discord. Close these. Time shift. You've done your job. I've actually used time shift once. It is amazing. I kind of like feel like I gotta like, I want to, what's in this girl? Like, wait a second, that's slow storage, right? I think it's all the same. I think I doubled it. I just didn't want to. Ooh. Yeah. I might try list of URLs. I gotta remember. I don't remember how to fucking do this. There's like some sort of means to get a list of these things. Ooh, Discord. Wait a second. Cancel. How to launch. Yeah. Image handler. What's this? Yeah, fuck off. Ooh, what the fuck is this shit? Bye. Oh, I wanna. Yeah, I wanted to get that. So, 1,435 files. Hell yeah. All right, so I guess we'll keep that open. And Gura, lost and found. Deja vu. Deja who? Deja vu. Sound effects. Let's close this. All right. I don't need the fast storage open. I just want to close all these because I had like so many fucking windows open. Never mind the tabs. Okay. I don't know which one I have going. All right. Let's do this shit. Downloads. Install. Kissing the night away. Kissing the night away. There we go. What the fuck, motherfucker? There we go. Qt-based graphical user interface. That's why there's issues, because it's Qt. Man, okay, so we had a project for our AI class, and this guy wanted to do like he wanted to identify traffic lights to see if they're red or green using convolutional neural networks. I wanted to create an AI that you could like give it a bunch of like just raw ingredients like that you might have, and then like it could cook you up like a dinner or something like that, right? I thought I hit install. Did this install? Okay. Oh. Oh. Tools. Okay. Preferences. So I wanted to do like all that. I don't know if I just said this, but yeah, do the food and all that. And he was like, honestly, I'm not very interested in that. I was pissed because I was like really pushing it, but he was being all like wishy-washy with it, and it took like forever for him just to say like, yeah, I'm not really interested in doing this. We never got it to work because we had to build it from scratch. We had to build the like how to do a convolutional neural network from scratch, and it's kind of complicated, right? Especially the back propagation part. It's really fucking complicated to like think through that and step through it. Yeah, and how to update the weights and everything. Like eventually I was able to do that like a few years later, like build it from scratch. But anyways, I think I said this already, I might have not, but like, yeah, Apple now has a thing that like you can scan like your food and stuff that's in the pantry, and it'll like I don't want it like this fucking complex, but like it'll tell you, it'll get you like it'll give you a recipe or several recipes that you can choose from what you got available like in your pantry and shit, in your fridge and freezer. That could have been us. Invalid settings detected. Okay, let's download what was that one thing I wanted to download? We got VirtualBox. Brave new tab. Okay. We'll delete this one. What's this? Oh yeah. Bye-bye. 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 Go GUI frameworks. Oh. What's this? Okay, we already figured that out. Auto update. I'm so afraid of installing DaVinci. Oh, I did those backups. I can try to install DaVinci Resolve again. Like the new version. I might do that. I thought I had that program. Foreman. Okay. So what should I get? Like, what's Foreman run well under? Support, manual, quick start. Oh my gosh. Ubuntu 22.04. I think it's like almost not going to be usable here. How like I know like the new Debian came out. Okay. All right, let's get like the Ubuntu. Okay. Ubuntu 22.04. Jammy Jellyfish. The superior. Okay. How long are the LTS versions work? LTS versions last Ubuntu. It might be 6 years. Oh my gosh. 20.04 standard support has ended. Oh my gosh. This is why I don't like Ubuntu. Ubuntu LTS releases are supported for a total of 10 years. The first 5 years provide standard support, which includes security updates and bug fixes and maintenance. Period allows for additional 5 years of extended security, which can be obtained through an Ubuntu. So it's basically 4 years if you want to go from LTS to LTS. You sorry sons of bitches. Fucking hate you all. All right, so what's the support for Debian versions? All right. How long is the support for Debian versions? Debian stable release follows a 5-year support cycle. Debian 13 just released, right? Notify support to June. Oh, that's not much better. What does this foreman take? Enterprise Linux 9? What is this? CentOS? CentOS is not available any longer. Like, do they even like use this? I mean, like, okay. Last blog was us. Oh my gosh. Is Foreman, what's this called? Foreman what? Still supported? Is Foreman still supported? Yes, Foreman is still supported, but support for older operating systems has been discontinued. Whoa. All right. They don't have, is there like support? Does I mean, like 24.04 is pretty fucking new. Does Foreman support Ubuntu 24.04? I mean, like, it's pretty fucking new. Does Foreman? Which provides, what the fuck? However, supporting it's not supporting and installing the Foreman server itself. Oh my gosh, this is why. Here, let's see what this says here. I want to know if we can install Ubuntu 24 version. Yeah. Just fucking install the updates, bitch. I found the cause of the solution. The cause is a broken mechanism getting DNS address from DHCP. What? It doesn't seem like there's a lot of people like working like to help out. Well, let's fucking try to install it. Fuck it. We'll put it on 22.04. All right. Although this will only last like a couple years, and then I'll have to fucking tear it all down. I'm just gonna put it on the fucking desktop ISO. Save. Okay, so can I just double click this? There we go. I love how Ubuntu has it like already like built in. All right. Yeah, use the torrents, especially with the older ones. What? Is there no like zero connections? What the fuck? Edit preferences. Okay. It's not doing anything. No one has this? Are you fucking kidding me? Never mind. Wait a second. 4 peers, 9 peers. Damn, that took forever. Like 0 connections. There we go. There it goes. And we have liftoff. Oh yeah, baby. Crank it up. Crank it. Unlimited. Come on. I got unlimited, right? Download, share data, in minutes are active. What? Stop seating at ratio. All right, we're cool. Oh yeah, baby. Look at that. Look at it go. Look at it go. It's down there. Don't slow down on me now. I don't know how fast it would be on the other one, but yeah. We're going to see how hard it is to install Foreman. Oh, here's my little PC. My little itty bitty PC. It's a Nook. It's a B-Box. B-Box. Oh, done. Nice. Seating 0 to 35 connected peers. Man, there's like plenty of people that are like wanting that. All right. Ratio. There we go. I don't know what the ratio is. We'll see to 3 people. Doesn't seem like anybody's gonna want it. Fuck it, we're closing it. What the fuck happened? All right. Should I put like new folder, like OS ISOs? OS ISOS. All right, we can delete this one. There we go. All right. Where are you at? English built-in. Expert. All right, we'll put it there. Stable release. Input. Okay, what is it? Default machine folder is missing. Okay. I guess I gotta fucking make this myself. All right. Alrighty. Folder names cannot contain. What? What? Oh, I see. Never mind. Create. Check it now, bitch. Update language display. Automatic. All right, direct connection to. That's what we're gonna do. Ooh. All right. What is this shit? Now shut up. Okay. I think this is fun. Okay, new. Name. Foreman test. ISO image. Downloads. Edition. What? Why can't they change it? Skip unattended installation. Detected OS type. This OS can be installed unattendedly. The install will start after the wizard is closed. You have to select to skip unattended guest OS install. The guest OS will need to be installed manually. I think I kind of want to install it manually. Base memory. How much memory I got? Okay, I got a lot. Let's give it 8 gigabytes. There we go. Let's give you 4 CPUs. EFI. Wait a second. It's EFI. Okay. Hard drive space. I mean, like, I'm probably not going to hardly use you, but. Okay. Pre-allocate full size. Do not add a virtual hard disk. Okay. We're going to pre-allocate it. All right. Start. Aborted. What? Okay. Video memory. I don't give it like this much. Audio. Why is it closing? Cannot enable AMDV extension. Please disable KVM kernel extension. Recompile your kernel. What the fuck? KVM kernel extension. Recompile your kernel. The fuck is this shit? What's AMDV? All right. Advanced. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. SATA. Okay. I am like at a loss at what's going on. Processor, motherboard, USB tablet. There we go. Reinstall the fucking kernel. Are you fucking kidding me? I'm going to hit this again. What's the AMD extension? Virtual box. When the KVM kernel module is loaded, which prevents what is this KVM AMD like? I don't want to have to do this. You think this would fucking... Please disable the KVM kernel extension. Do I have that turned off? I can't restart my PC because I'm... All right. All right, well, let's do this. I have to get on my other PC here. Let's do this. No one said anything about this still being up. Probably no one's here. All right, time to play video games. What the fuck? Update later. All right. Watching all this porn. Maybe I should have just stuck with programming. There we go. And move this down and this down. Wait a second. Oh, wrong thing. All right. I thought I had a... Oh, shit. I don't have my I don't have the HDMI hooked up to it. What's hooked up to it? Okay. Okay, that's that. Interesting. what I'm doing is I'm gonna hook up this like one PC. I'm just gonna install it straight on it. This little piece of shit. All right. But first I need to do like a Betcher or whatever the fuck it is. BLM Letcher. Okay, what? Okay. Oh, gosh, I hate using the I hate using the internet on this thing. Hold on a second. All right. Ubuntu. Oh, I should have. Fuck. Why am I on Bing on this thing? Ubuntu install. Okay. Etcher. Okay, Etcher. Let's install this here. I think I had an easier time. Well, can I do it on Linux? They have an app image. I guess I can try. Let me try it on Linux here. Legacy 32. What is this? It's not an app image. Downloads, downloads, downloads. What is in here? I want to see what it is. What's in here? Okay, like, what the fuck is all this shit? All right. Oh, I gotta take that one thing out. Fuck. Do I have another one? I think I'll just pull it out. Like I do. Never mind. I was gonna say something raunchy, but that will not do in this day and age. Oh. Just put it in here. Did that even run the program? I don't see it. I don't see it. All right. Bring. What is this? Oh no. What is this? Oh. That's huge. Did I put like a fucking OS on there? Yeah. So I guess like let's put this in my app images. All right. Shutter encoder. That's a piece of shit. Anyways, Glaxamate. This is why I think I remember why I don't use Linux version of this. All right, so what? Wait a second. Wait a second. Is my Kden Live not work any longer? Oh. This is wild if it doesn't. All right. Because it was 2542. Well, that works. Interesting. All right. You might still be able to extract the content. What? Air loading fuse. Okay, so how do I get this? Okay. It's always good to kind of like run it, your programs here, because they'll throw out errors and shit. All right. It'll tell me where to get it. You found the solution. Thank you, Tibbs, son. You're a rock star. I bet I already have this. No, wrong one. Already the newest version. Well, I guess we're going back to the other one. All right, so I got like the OS in here, right, in the downloads, and fuck you, Betcher. And I gotta put it on the SMB share. Let's open up as a new window. Man, I just want to play fucking video games now. Fuck this shit. Might take a second. What 2 items is it taking? It's just that. What video game do I want to play? What video game do I want to play? All right, I want to take this out. All right, we'll do. Bitch. Get over here. Ah. Got it. All right. Switch computers. I guess I'll have to install the Fletcher. Did I get it? There we go. Wait a second. Nice. Oh, I gotta grab it. What the fuck? What the fuck is all this shit? Oh my goodness. All right, so Trunas. Watch this. This will be done. I don't know if I have a 10.0 on this. Yeah. I just got a gigabit. Do 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 do. I got another like 2 terabyte hard drive that I want to install in here on this PC. There's like a thing called like a cache, and yeah, like an internet cache. I want to get like an internet cache where you can where like saves like the internet for you. That'd be freaking sweet. All right, save the internet for me, so you don't have to like grab stuff from online all the time. All right, so flash from a file. We'll flash from the desktop. What? What? Wait a second. Did it just go up by itself? Which one's which? Personal. Yeah. Personal is retarded. All right, so we got this fit. There we go. Flash it. Yeah, change it for the worst. What do we got? Isometric sale? What is this? Erased? Neverwinter Nights? What is Ash of Gods? Huh. Not done yet. Library. Mecha Break. I wanted to play that game. Oh, I got this game. I need to finish playing this game. RoboCop. Half-Life 2. Oh, I think there's like an update for my GPU. Anyways. Reject all. You're rejected. Okay, so what do they got in store? What's in store for us? I should change my profile pic. Borderlands 4. I'm not going to pre-order. Undertale. What is this? Oh. Whoa. That looks like 3D. Like sometimes like how they on my end, like this here, like Dead's like really popping out. Take looks like it's in the background. Whew. I got Subnautica. Oh, Lone Shark. Abyss? What's the Abyss? Looks dumb. That's what it looks like. Mostly positive. Very positive. Discovery queue. What is this? Put hentai in there. Please put hentai in there. Oh, Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. Validation, please. All right, so I guess I can go here. Scheduled. Just throw them all in there. I was like, it was like a year ago. I figured out that you can just do that. I didn't know you can just do that. But why don't you just put everything in queue? There should be just like a button that says like put everything in queue. Yeah. All right, that's complete. Right? Like, wait a second. Is there a thing here? All right. I think it's on. It's not connected, right? Yeah. All right. I can just unplug it. All right. Unplug. Ah. There we go. Can I just throw it in the front? Yeah, I can. All right. SSD. Oh, wait a second. SS. I don't know if this will. Oh, it doesn't turn on. There it goes. There it goes. Oh. I think I have to hit delete. No video? I might not be able to give it enough power. I could only find this 12 volt 1.5 amp power adapter. I don't know if it goes with it. All right. The processor speed is slow. Is the Celeron slow? All right. Advanced. I don't know. I don't even know what's on it. Like, how big is this? See the storage configuration. Wait a second. Okay, the mini. I don't know how big that SATA is. All right, let's have it boot. Did it lock up on me? It's not doing anything. Are you fucking kidding me? Control delete. I guess we'll go back into there. All right. Advanced. Auto. What I wanted to do is just like, I want to make sure it doesn't go like fast, like it doesn't go into, how do I put it? Tool. Easy driver install. Internet flash. Oh yeah. Oh, wait a second. Let me connect the thing. The internet. Where's my internet? There we go. Forgot to connect the internet to it. There we go. Security. I think we're good. Secure boot. I just don't want it to go into like overdrive. All right, so can I choose which one to boot from here? I don't think it has that. Maybe I have to like hit the button on one of them. All right, so I don't think I had anything to do. Maybe it's F6 here. F6, F6. F11. That's too slow. F11. Oh my gosh. I don't know what it's going to show. That's why I kind of... Oh my. It started a moss. So yeah, I used to have a moss on this. Right there. But I don't want to like... I don't want to have a moss. All right, so... I don't want it fucking around. It'll fuck shit up. All right, so... Do I use this one? Oh my gosh. Wait a second. Really strange. My monitor is acting really weird. Oh, you see it too. The top and bottom, there's like lights. There's like blue on the bottom there. Did I fuck this up? What should I call this? Like, I'll call it Derek. No, I'll call it Amigo. Yeah, it's a long boot. This thing was I think I got this like in 2016. And it was pretty fucking slow back then. It's a 4-core. Celeron. Piece of shit. Yeah. Any day now. I didn't know it was going to be this bad. Hell, I would have put this on my... I would have put this on some other PC. Oh my god, dude. I want to use this for something. This has to be faster than a Raspberry Pi, though. But that does like 5 volts, 3 amps or 4 amps. That's 20. Oh my god. Maybe I don't have the right, like... Maybe I don't have the right power supply for it. I don't think it would boot up if it didn't have the right amount of amps. But this is slow as fuck. Ding dong ding. Did y'all hear that? Install it. Foreman. Yeah. Okay. Minimal installation. I think I want a minimal. Yeah. There we go. We're going minimal. I'll have to enable SSH. I can't remember. I can't forget to do that. I just don't want to show it because, like, yeah, it might dox me a bit. So, how about them Cowboys? I'm not a Cowboys fan. Okay, so ask me, do I want to install alongside Ubuntu? Man, that's fucking, I can't even read it on my screen here. Okay, hold on a second. There we go. Interesting. Yeah, I want to erase Ubuntu 18.0403. Yeah. Erase disk and install Ubuntu. What? Wait a second. Reinstall. Do I want just the advanced features? I don't know what LVM is. There we go. I don't care. This PC has like it's a SATA. Okay. Continue. It's a SATA and it yeah. What the fuck, Dio? No. There we go. All right. What's my name? My name is Ultra D. Username will be Derek. And no, Derek Foreman. There we go. Passwords match. Now, no, I've typed it in wrong twice before, being wrong twice, and I couldn't get into it. And yeah, it was a pain. Fast and full of features, the latest version of Ubuntu makes computing easier. Who's gonna tell them? I think it's already, wait a second, they say 5 years? Yeah. Yeah, we're cooked. What files are you copying? Sudo user over the native protocol. Don't, what the fuck? Ah. Audacity. Love it. I should have like took a little bit of time to do a GUI. Like mess with the GUI in Golang. I tried like building a graphical user interface using like a library. Like in C, but it's such a pain in the ass. of course, like I was using like Visual Studio, like the regular Visual Studio. And like you just start doing like, it's in C++. You start doing all the crap with that. And it's just like, how do I put it? It gets so convoluted. It's like you already know, like it assumes you already know like all the libraries and all that shit. You just got to jump in and do it. That's why I'm like a CLI guy. If I can do a CLI or like some sort of like terminal menu. Ooh, I think there's like a terminal menu thing that's like in Go. You can make things that look like tops. Yeah. Shotcut video editor. Shotcut ain't good. There is like one thing I wanted to like do. Yeah. I got like I think I'll edit it in I'll edit it in Kden Live or something. But I got like I got like a good picture of some clouds and lightning coming out of it. It was like clouds out in the distance. And the lightning, I mean, like it was so far away, you couldn't like hear it. You couldn't hear any booms or anything, any thunder. And yeah, but like really nice looking bolts coming out though, like coming out of the side of the clouds and shit. It looked pretty freaking cool. It looked pretty freaking cool. And it was like, how do I put it? Yeah, it was just like coming out of the sides. Like sometimes like clouds don't need to be over your head for you to get hit by lightning. And that was like case in point. Like, yeah, I'll show it. I got the rooftops of some buildings and I don't want to like show that. I don't want to show that. Desktop product vision. I wish I'd give you like an ETA on this shit. Boom, chip, boom. You know, like the OS that I've used the longest on I don't know. The OS that I've used the longest, like Linux wise, has been Pop OS. I used Pop OS like 20.04 forever. Like for like 3 years. And then I started getting RAM issues. I didn't know it was RAM issues, but my OS just was like fucking up out of nowhere. And like just like random reboots, random shutdowns. And then it was like telling me like these things aren't matching up. You gotta like run some like algorithm that will like fix it all up. And then like I was about to like throw Linux away forever because I couldn't like install Linux. Like it wouldn't let me. Like it was like I was running into an error like right after it installed. Because my RAM was fucked up. It was G-Skill. I was having issues with G-Skill. And I don't know if it was like due to my my motherboard or what. I think I was running into the problems with my motherboard, like one of my other motherboards. So I was running an issue with one of my Asus motherboards, and then I was running. Then it happened again with my with another like completely different set of RAM on my MSI motherboard. Cause like you can get like pretty much you can get some workstation class motherboards not like workstation, but you know, you got like a pretty good amount of PCIe connectivity to it. Like used like for $200 with the X570 line. Yeah. So I got like I got an Asus I think it's an Asus Ace. That's a slick looking motherboard for a workstation type thing. But like the bad thing about it is it doesn't have like high end like Ethernet connected to it. It's like the fastest they got is like 1 gigabyte like on board. The MSI one that I got, it has a 2.5. But when it fucking killed them like on these high end motherboards, I mean they weren't cheap when they came out. Like I think the MSI one was like a $400 board when it first came out. I got it for like 200 because you can get it like renewed for like $200. And yeah, why don't they have like 10 gigabit Ethernet like already in it? What are we, primates here? Treating us like fucking primates. I tell you, treating us like primates. Yeah, nothing's more like, I think watching like an OS install is about as fun as watching paint dry. Ah, yeah. Especially with this 1.6 gigahertz, 4-core Nook. I think it's like an N100, like generation 4. DDR3, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Cooking with gas. This is why I wanted to do a virtual OS. I guess I could have installed VirtualBox on here, but I don't want to do that. I don't want to bloat my computer full of fucking... Plus I don't have like the hard drive space. I got like almost none. Yeah. Configuring the keyboard. Creating user. Ultra Derek. The confuser user. I guess I could have tried like the GNOME box. I just didn't want to install a bunch of fucking software I'm never going to use. Yeah, recompile my kernel. What the fuck, man? Are you for real? I wonder if it would have worked with Intel processor. Recompile my kernel. Go fuck yourself. I'm not gonna do that. No way, Jose. They should at least give you like a fucking browser so you can surf the net. Man. Come on, man. An operating system available to everyone, developed for anyone, that will just work for anything you need. So I really like LibreOffice. It is a fine substitute for Microsoft Office, in my humble opinion. Microsoft your life. Get Ubuntu. Wah! Seizure mode. Ah! Wait a second. I clicked on it. Okay, they have these links here, right? You click on it and nothing happens. It could have gave me a website. Looking for other operating systems. Fuck off. There it goes. Hell yeah. They should have told me that. All right, so. All right, what to look up? Ooh, Taylor Swift. Oh no. There it is. I don't know. What do we look up? Tabs. Let's go to YouTube. Let's see if YouTube will allow me to like search anything. There we go. Get started. I don't know. What's hot? Arch. Foreman. Let's look up Foreman. Foreman. What's it called? Server. There we go. Man. 9 months ago. Managed CentOS. What makes a great job foreman? Okay. Foreman server deployment. There we go. What? Man. Let's check out this guy. I like his hairline.
Now we gotta go help people customize and save hundreds with Liberty Mutual.
Liberty, bibbity, bibberty,
golf carts.
bibberty. How dangerous are crossbows?
There it is. Only pay for what you need.
Liberty, 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 liberty.
Liberty, bibberty. Oh my gosh,
For
Skip.
nearly 50 years, Harbor Freight has been a reliable source for the widest.
All right. Why does it skip to here?
So this is the CentOS stream 9. Then over here, I can definitely pick my EL9.
All right.
And then I can see some steps. Like this is gonna enable the repository, public repository. This is gonna enable Foreman. This will download the installer.
Where's like
we
the
execute the installer, and that's it. Easy, simple, like that. This is Foreman. If you like to deploy only Foreman, definitely you can follow those.
All right, hold on a second. Where's like the
is gonna
holy shit, that's bright. Oh man.
Feeling overwhelmed at work?
Are you
Well, get
fucking
ahead
kidding
with
me?
AI. Grammarly is the AI writing tool that I trust to get time back in my day. If you're
I want to get like the nerd stats for nerds.
is gonna guide you in the correct place. All right. You can also see here, hey, this quick start is
Stats for
from
nerds,
3.11,
bitch.
but the latest version is 3.12. So
Do I have to
you
right
just
click it?
pick 3.12, and then you can see all the information.
There we go.
Before we go on this path, let me show you this. Get help manual. And again, same idea. 3.12. In this page, definitely you can see a
51
lot of
dropped
information,
frames of
valuable information. I totally recommend you to take a look on this document. There are some nice information. For instance, like the initial steps. If you take a look here, you can get like the steps, the package. You can just copy and paste. This is pretty simple. I have to say. One thing that I would like to get your attention here is about the system requirements. Definitely you can see the operating system that is supported, the minimal hardware which is required, like 4 gigs and 2 gigs of disk.
Okay.
Based on the configuration that you do have or that you want.
All right.
Some compatibility, firewall
TCP
configuration. All right. There are a bunch of things here, but let's go straight to the point. All right.
Oh man.
Quick start. Let's pick.
It dropped a frame or two.
And from here, let's pick our version. In the previous video, I mentioned about Enterprise Linux.
Bro hat. Well, I don't know. Okay, this is so bright. What do they call that? Dark mode? Oh. I need to get Brave. Dark Reader, dude. This is like the shit. So the problem is running private windows. Yeah. Do it all. I don't give a shit. Oh my gosh. Been on mobile, couldn't let me chat. Dude, you know what I noticed? Like on my phone, I can't, how do I put it? I'm not able to freaking like give supers or anything. We're gonna get Brave. Pay $9.99. Are you out of your mind? All right, this should be close. Okay, so Foreman. Server. Yeah. Deployment. There we go. It's so fucking slow. Monitor your hosts. I think we're good on this. So we got Ubuntu 22.02 or 4. I mean, 4 gigabytes. Let's see what the full system requirements is. All right. What the fuck is this shit? Smart proxy. Oh. Well, what the fuck? System requirements. We'll cover the hardware requirements, OS. Okay. We got that. Bare minimum installation clients with no Puppet server. Requirements are scaling notes. Default Puma configuration is 2 workers with a maximum of 16 threads and a minimum of 0 threads per worker. When using a Puppet server, consult the required outlines. Blah, 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 blah. I don't know what all this shit is. All right. Apple Safari. Google Chrome. Okay, firewall configuration. Protect your Foreman environment by blocking all unnecessary. All right. I think it like automatically blocks all this shit. I'm not 100% sure. Wait a second. Are these used? I think it opens them up. Okay, default. We'll configure Apache HTTP SSL. Foreman running under Puma using system MD socket activation. Smart proxy with SSL. What is SSL again? I don't know. Puppets. Other modules can be enabled, which will also configure. I don't want a DHCP server. I don't want a DNS server. I don't know what TFTP is. TFTP. Trivial file transfer protocol. Okay. It's trivial. And SSL, I'm drawing a blank. I should know what SSL is. Secure socket layer. Ah. Yeah. Are you done yet? Dear Lord. It probably doesn't like that I'm doing this. Okay. Okay, let's close these. Add-on manager. I am not using this computer again. I think I'm gonna throw this thing in the fucking trash. It's so fucking slow. Or I'm just gonna make it a straight. It's just easier to kind of configure shit because you can like search the net, you know, like if you install the desktop. I should just install the server. It's just easier to, because like, yeah, you can search the net and shit, right? Yeah. I can't believe how slow this is. I don't think this is USB 3.2. It's a USB 3.0 on it. On the front, I'm pretty sure. Yeah. I don't know. Look at all these things. I've never used Foreman. I've used Moss. I just don't want to use Moss. I'm not like happy with canonical Ubuntu. Manage puppets. I'm assuming puppets are just like virtual machines. The thing is, like, when you do use some of this stuff, it's just like such a, oh, I'm seeing Python here. Monitor. Yeah, so I got to set up another PC. I want to have like a new network, not network. How do I put it? I want to make a new. I've been holding on to this stuff. It's been sitting on the ground in my room, and I need to make a new router. I thought about installing Ansible on here. I never like really used it though. But I guess like if you like want to install like packages and shit like across the board, like Ansible's the way to go. So you don't have to go into each machine and be like, ah, install this shit. Ah. Hey, let's see how easy it is to find my channel. So, okay. He wasn't really showing me anything new. All right, so Who do I clip? Pippa. Pipkin Pippa. She had a pretty good stream. Fiola, he's like the main. Romelia Sentiment Sunflower. That guy like stopped doing that for a while. And now he's back. Low effort. You're a local cyborg. ESL clips. Low effort. Dino. Pippa's channel. Pika Paka Poco. Oh man. No wonder no one can find me. Abel. Do they hate me? Do they hate me? They hate me. I thought about clipping this because she was like so serious. Okay, I'm using tilt control. Fiola. Damn, dude. Talks about being homeless. That was like funny. Nowhere in here? Okay. They hate me. They hate me, chat. All right. How about... Who else did I clip? Mari _ Ian. Shadow banning me. Some of my best performing clips has Mari _ Ian in there. All right. You would. Restart now. Oh, I should put that in the description. That's pretty smart, Viola. Yeah. I should put that in the description. Like, if you don't get like a subscribe or a like on your clip or video, like, it does not go out. Oh. I wonder if I have power issues on this. I probably need to give it more power. I think that might be part of the problem. I'll have to look it up. B-Link. Because it's only like, I don't know if it's 2 volts or 12 volts, 2 amps. It might be just like 1.5 amps. Yeah. I thought I found the power supply for it. But this is like running real slow. It's running like it doesn't have like any power. Ugh. It's like it's not even like 30 watts. It's like less than a light bulb. Hell yeah. Okay. Oh my gosh, look at that. There it goes. Skip. Skip. No, you can go fuck yourself. Yeah, turn off my location services. Derek is awesome. Misspelled my name. Task. Oh my gosh, dude. I think I didn't give this enough power. I think I didn't give enough power. Because this is running like shit. Yes, I declined it. Asshole. How many amps? I think it's like 1.5 amps. I'm going to have to look this up. Like, what's my product number on this? It's an old one too, mind you. It's a B-Box N310. Oh shit. Hold on. Let me turn this off. It says it requires 3 amps. I think I'm providing it half the amps. Let me double check this. Oh my, oh me, oh my, oh me. Okay, I think it's on. It's off. All right. I think I need bifocals. Holy shit. Yeah, it's 1.5 amps. Oh man. I don't know where the power supply went. I picked this up and I thought this was it. No wonder I was running like shit. Yeah, I'm surprised it didn't crash or anything like that. It's probably hard on the hardware too. Like if you can't get the amps, like voltages drop. You know what I'm saying? Like they usually drop and oh yeah. Well, that was fun little excursion today. I'll have to fucking buy one. I don't know where it went. Oh, it seemed like it took an hour to install Ubuntu. Well, I was wanting to use like VirtualBox to do like some testing on here, but then like it was like spitting out stuff. It was like the KVM. Like there's like some special like something in the kernel like with, and it's like we can't run it. It's like what the fuck, Dio? Yeah, I'm just gonna have to buy a new one. I knew I should just played video games. When you think about it, all videos are pretty what? Let's check to see. My latest Pippa one is not doing too hot. All right. Got all these. What the fuck are all these? Okay, let's go in here. All right, so Although I released it like really late today. Rectify it. Yeah. I could probably look up the circuit. Ooh, this one. I don't know why, but these like 1 million subs and I buy a theater, like that one did the best. Wow, wait a second. This one. This one did shit. All right, so I like that thumb. Okay, so analytics. Yeah. Oh my gosh, it's half in the lower end. That's bad. That's bad. 3.1. All right. Let's see if this like saves it. So like I can stop and set it to this one. Just say fuck it, just do this one. There we go. I think the sneeze is doing okay. Yeah, this one here. View test report. Yeah, this one did 37.8. Everything else is lower. So I just like, let's do this one. But this one's kind of weird though. Like you can go to analytics and then like look at the engagement. Like people aren't watching like the full 20 minutes. And it like dips really fast. I'm in the way. There we go. Got Movie Tavern. What is Movie Tavern? Is this like a... So... Can you take it into the thing? Wine and dine and kick out people for talking. Nice. I don't know. There used to be like a bar and movie theater like downtown in the city here. And they moved. But like I knew the girl that like her parents like owned it. They have a bar in the lobby. Yeah. What did we watched like okay, like for her birthday? Like we watched man, she invited me. I was so fucking oblivious to girls. She fucking invited me to her birthday party. And like we never really hung out before, right? And she was like sitting close to me a lot. And I was just fucking, I didn't know what was going on. But anyways, I know. I mean, like, she has a really nice body. I mean, she was pretty cute. She had her charm. Yeah, but her parents own like the, I think it was Hollywood Bar and Film Works or something like that. And it had 2 screens. We went to the freaking, I saw Men in Black there for the first time. And then like, and so like we just had the whole like thing we went there during the day because I think they're usually open at night because it's also like a bar there. It's not in the lobby. I think it's like right in where the screen is. And they had nights. I don't know which night, but they had like Rocky Horror Picture Show. I guess it's like a big event every time. And yeah, we were hanging out. It was like a group of people too. Like after that, like I didn't really hang out with her a lot. Like it was like the only time I hung out with her, like out of school. The midnight showing, yeah. And yeah, we were sitting on her bed. It's just me and her, but there was other people in the room too. Yeah, I just didn't even fucking think about it. Oh well. Fuck it. She has a kid. She has a couple kids now. And she lives up in Chi-Town. But she got like all tatted up. Anyways, yeah, so we saw I think I just said this, Men in Black there, and then we saw Air Force One. That movie fucking blew me away, Air Force One. I think I was like a sophomore or junior in high school. I was not driving at the time. I think I might have been dropped off by my parents. Shit, I might have been a freshman for all I know. Holy fuck. When did that come out? Men in Black. 1997. So I was 18 in 2000. And 17, 16, 15. Yeah, so I was like 15. Right? 99, 98, 97. Yeah. Yeah, I was 15. So Air Force One. So this came out, what date? 4 days ago? What the fuck? July. I think we did have school though. It might have been at the beginning of school. Air Force One movie. Look at all this propaganda. All right. Maybe it was during the summer. Maybe we had like summer school together. Because I took like I know I did the summer school. Shit. I graduated in 2000. So yeah, that was like my sophomore year, right? 99 was my junior year. 98 was my sophomore year. So yeah. So this would be like at the very beginning of my sophomore year, basically. Air Force. Dude. Gary Oldman, man. Gary Oldman. He's like the GOAT. I think he's like the best actor. Get off my plane. I think Gary Oldman is like the best actor of our time. I mean, Harrison Ford's good, but he always kind of plays the same guy, right? But Gary Oldman can like completely change himself. He's like unrecognizable in a lot of stuff. Because of how much he changes. What is he? He's in like what movie is it? I mean, he has a huge range. Let's see. Let's go IMDb. There we go. And what I'm trying to think, like True Romance or whatever it's called. I think he's in that movie. I want to see True Romance again. All right, when was that? Like I avoided it, seeing it at the at like, you know, the movie rental place. Yeah, he's in True Romance. I avoided it, and then like I saw it like in college, and I started at like in the middle of it, and I was like, "Holy shit, this movie's fucking awesome!" I was like, I guess at the time, like, okay, at the time, I think Christian Slater, he was kind of like, I don't know. I didn't really think much of him as an actor. Val Kilmer's in it? Holy fuck. So I didn't realize this, but what's his face? Who's the writer? Quentin Tarantino wrote it. Movie night. Remember, like, going to the, like, you go to the movie rental place, and it was like a fucking event. You'd spend like a half an hour there or something like that if you weren't for sure like what you wanted to get, and you'd get like 3 movies, sometimes 4, and they're always like, you know, like, you knew you were gonna get, like, you try to get something good, right? Yeah, I miss those days. Brad Pitt's in it. Dick's roommate. Gary Oldman, he plays like a psychopath drug dealer, right? He's a mobster. And order pizza, yeah. You'd order freaking, what's it called? We got like Little Caesars a lot, like around that time. Little Caesars. They'd have like let's see if they have like the old Little Caesars packaging. They put 2 pizzas in like one box, but it wasn't like a box. Caesars packaging. They should bring it back. All right. Yeah, 2 for 1 deal. Where's it at? You gotta be shitting me. No one has like the old ones. The foot long. Okay. They described it here. It's like right here. There it is. Why is this so blurry? We have Papa John's next to Blockbuster. Yeah, like, we ended up getting Papa John's a lot. When my parents, like, didn't have to say, you know, when they hit that, like, stride of, they didn't have to save as much anymore. Because there's always, like, you know, pinching pennies. People always say, like, people are complaining about boomers and shit, and maybe they are, like, maybe they are kind of fucking up the housing department, but the housing, like the housing industry a bit. But it's just like, we were pinching pennies back in the day too. Like, it wasn't like everything's fucking easy. My dad, like, hardly went out to eat. And he had a good job. He had a really good job. He wouldn't go out to eat, and he'd bring his lunch to school, to work. And it wasn't until like later on, like basically when we all moved out of the house, they were able to fucking, or like when we all went to college, funnily, we always ate at home. Yeah. Yep. But like when we all moved out, there was like a good few years when I moved out. Was like trying to provide for my family. I didn't get a lot of help from my ex-wife. She didn't make life, wasn't very supportive. But anyways, let's not complain too much. But yeah, like they were like eating out like every night when we left. But bless them now. They really help out with my kids right now. Especially because my daughter. $9.99. Yeah, 2 pizzas for $9.99. So we typically eat out on Fridays. We get like pizza, and we get 2 pizzas. Now it's like deluxe, and it's like $34 we get Domino's because it's really close, and I mean it's not like too expensive. It really helps that they're like really close, and I always get like the 20% discount. That like it keeps on like the coupon like keeps on falling over. Like if I used it last time, I could just like go to reorder and it puts the coupon back in there. Funny enough, like the 50% coupon doesn't do that. So it's kind of like a hidden coupon that they have. So I always get that, and then I make chicken wings. And I guess I should put this on just chatting up here. Yeah, chicken wings, baby. And then like on Sundays, we go to like a burger place. Hell yeah. And we went to like this Mexican restaurant just down the street from us, and I was not impressed. It was expensive. I think it would have been cheaper for us to eat at fucking like what's the place called? Texas Roadhouse, and got like way better meal. Like I'm never going there again. Cause I got the carne asada, and it looked like it was like a halfway decent steak, like on the thing. Like, but I got like this like slither of beef. Let me. It was like a slither. It was a $20 meal. It was like the shittiest $20 meal I ever had in my life. And let me go to the maps. It's a franchise, so yeah. Where's it at? El Toro Bravo. Yeah. Don't go there. Let me see here. Oh, and it was late coming out to me too. El Toro Bravo. I really need to get a VPN. Site cannot be reached. All right. Hopefully it fucking shut down. I should have just got like the fucking enchilada or something like that. I don't know. Beatable. Is this a menu? They don't even show pictures of it. Hold on a second. Here. Chicken, beef. Yeah. Said grilled tender, ribeye beef, order of rice. It was not. It was like 2 flour tortillas. Did I even get the pico de gallo? I think I just got like the fucking rice and beans. Yeah, it was like 23 bucks or so. It was like 23 bucks. Here. What is that place called? El Toro Bravo. Bravo, carne, asada. Carne asada platter, I guess. Yeah, let me bring it back up. 4 tortillas, like it wouldn't hardly like fit on it. It was nothing like that. I was hoping to get like a picture of it. I should have took a picture of it because it was awful. It was thinner than this. It was like, you could get like a thicker ribeye at freaking, with like more shit, with like a salad at freaking, a salad and like another side dish at like El Rodeo. No, is it El Rodeo? No, wait a second. Not El Rodeo. Sorry. At freaking, what's the place called? Texas Roadhouse for less. Yeah, it was awful. Never going there again. And it wasn't even soft. It was like, it was tough. It was hard to cut. It was the worst. Never getting it again. Never going there again. Anyways. Yeah. Not worth 23 bucks. I forget what else is gonna do. Okay. Meow. Screw that crap. Little Caesars. Yeah, True Romance. I'm gonna have to fucking watch that again. Ooh la la. 1993. I was 13. Wait a second. No, I was 11. My bad. My bad. Yeah, Air Force One. Lost in Space. He was in Lost in Space. Hannibal. Fucking, this is Gary Oldman. Dracula, obviously. He's in JFK. It's been a long time since I've seen JFK. Romeo's Bleeding, Frontline. The Professional. Yeah, he's in The Professional. The Fifth Element. Who can not forget The Fifth Element? I don't know what sin is. Harry Potter. The Dark Knight. Oh yeah, he's in RoboCop. That movie was okay, the new one. It could have been better. Yeah, so don't get VirtualBox. Yeah, I'm gonna have to order that one thing. Ah, it's 1:17. I should get going to bed. I gotta get up at 6:30. I have to get a fucking... Ooh, shit. I'll have to get a thingy. A new power supply. Yeah. Yeah. Thanks for talking. Thanks. Oh, sorry. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. Let me get up here. I'll try to be on during the day. I got up early and I didn't fall asleep. But I was reading manga for a while. And then I think around like 12 o'clock, I started like programming and shit. And I was like, I'm not going to get on the stream because my daughter's going to get home like at 2 hours. I don't want to have to fucking deal with that. I don't want to have to fucking deal with that. Yeah. So maybe I'll try to get on later on. Yeah, tomorrow morning. I'll try. I forget what else I was wanting to do. There's like some other thing I was wanting to work on. I really want to get that mask thing set up. Because I want to have like a computer I can quote unquote dial in, remote into it, and program. So it's a pain in the ass that I have like all my works, like all my development shit on this one computer. I don't want to SSH into this one computer I'm using. So I want to like, I want to have like my own server where I can like work on stuff. Yeah. But hopefully, yeah, I got to get that power supply. Gotta get that power supply. So, I don't think I can find it anywhere. I can't believe I was running at half the amps I was calling for. No wonder it was like running so slow. Yeah. So, all right. I'll see y'all later today. Bye-bye.